What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a leaking tap. In this particular case, we're working on some washing machine taps. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we're working in a laundry and these are the washing machine taps, and as you can tell, the cold water in particular is continuously dripping, causing some water damage on the wall down the bottom and also on the skirting board. So these one here has more than likely been leaking for a long time. The first thing we need to do is shut off the main water supply, and you're going to have to bear with me today. This exhaust fan here is super annoying. So first things first, shut off the main water supply. So with this particular style, what we need to do is remove this outer cap here, and that's going to simply pop off by using a flathead screwdriver. So you can see there, we've now removed the cap. Put that on the side somewhere where you're not going to lose it. We might as well check the hot water while we're here, so we can remove both of those. And you'll notice there's a little nut here, and that's what's holding everything in place. Luckily this one here is a little bit loose, so I can undo that by hand. If it's not loose, you can simply take a large flathead screwdriver and insert it into the slot here. Basically turn that one there over, or you can use an adjustable wrench if you can fit it in there. Once the nut's off, pull that outer handle off. Do the same thing on the other side. This one here is a little bit tighter, so once again, flathead screwdriver, turn it around. So now we've exposed our spindles. What we're going to do next is just find the lowest tap in the house, turn that on just to relieve some of the pressure, which I've already done out the front of the property. Basically just turn it on, let the water flush out. That way you won't have as much water coming out of our tap here. And if there is, just simply catch it with a bucket. So use the adjustable wrench. We're going to bite onto our spindle. If it's a little bit tight, you can give it a tap from the bottom. Take that existing water, which luckily isn't that much. Remove the spindle, and now we've got our spindle removed. So we can place this spindle here on the side, catch the rest of the water, and I'm going to just quickly pull out our little washer here just to release some of that pressure. Now if you have a look at this washer here, it's actually not that bad, but if you have a close look at the rubber seal, it's actually indented all the way throughout, and that's why it's not having a nice tight seal. So we're going to quickly replace this one here with a new one. So we can take our spindle, take our new washer, drop that one there in, reinstall it, tighten back on our spindle, and we're going to do the same thing on the left hand side here. Once again, if it's a little bit tight, give it a tap, break that seal, catch any of the water. This one here looks like it's a little bit tight, so we might get some pliers. I take it the rubber's completely off on this one, and that's why it's not coming out. Yeah, pretty much. So this one here, the rubber's stuck inside somewhere. Pull out that rubber as well, in chunks by the looks of it. So they are pretty old and worn out. That's our washer seal or rubber seal. Repeat the process. And tighten that one there back on. Now we can put everything back the way it was. Tighten on our little nut here. Same thing on the other side. tighten them back on. And then return our caps. So now we'll quickly switch on the water supply. And now the water's back on, everything is nice and dry, no more continuous dripping. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.